Hi friends, I'm Arul, going to give a series of talks on the subject disruption and its implications due to the migration of vehicles from engine to battery driven technologies. It would be useful to all people interested to know what is happening, what is going to unfold in our India auto industry down the line. It would be very useful resource to all decision makers across MSMEs, industrial associations, bankers, startups, and future entrepreneurs. The first topic in this series is on the failure of the Vision Any MMP 2020 program. How, when it has failed. Let's see the timeline. You would see in the year 2012, Any MMP program was started. In 2015, FAME India Phase 1 was started. In 2019, FAME India Phase 2 was started. In 2020, the Any MMP 2020 program fails. In 2022, a new plan is expected to be seen. Now, why any MMP 2020 program failed can be seen in the following slides. To promote electric mobility and reduce dependence on the depleting fossil fuels, India government in the year 2012 launched a program called Any MMP 2020 National Electric Mobility Mission Plan 2020, a complete framework roadmap with implementation structure to achieve a target of 6 to 7 million green vehicles by the year 2020. The plan was to provide fuel security, affordable eco-friendly vehicles, enable Indian auto industry to become a global manufacturing leader. As part of the plan Any MMP 2020, India government formulated a scheme called FAME India, faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles in India in the year 2015. The FAME India first phase was implemented till March 2019 with focus areas on demand creation, technology platform, pilot projects, and charging infrastructure. The demand market creation was done by incentivizing all vehicle segments two wheeler, three wheeler, four wheeler, light commercial vehicles, and buses by providing a reduced purchase price. By this scheme, more than 2.78 lakh electric vehicles and 435 buses were supported. Grants were given to R&D technology development, pilot projects, and charging infrastructure with total investment of 529 crores. Based on the experience from phase 1 implementation and inputs from various stakeholders including industry and their associations, India government notified FAME phase 2 scheme for a period of 3 years from the year April 2019 to the year March 2022 with an outlay of 10,000 crores with special focus on supporting public and shared electric transportation and charging infrastructure. The demand incentive for all electric vehicles is Rs 8,596 crores. It is calculated at the rate of Rs 10,000 per kilowatt hour for all electric vehicles and Rs 20,000 per kilowatt hour for e-buses. It is all provided to support 7,000 e-buses, 5 lakh e-3 wheelers, 55,000 e-4 wheelers, nearly 10 lakh e-bikes. Similarly, the demand incentive for charging infra is 1,000 crores to provide charging infrastructure at every 3 km by 3 km area and at every 25 km along highways. In addition, to promote electric vehicles, government has reduced GST from 12% to 5%. It has allowed sale of electricity for charging of electric vehicles, has provided exemption of permit for battery operated electric commercial vehicles. In the conclusion part, with FAME India scheme phase 1, India could support only 2.28 lakh electric vehicles. And by FAME India phase 2 scheme, it could incentivize 15.62 lakh vehicles. Hence, even if we assume and consider all incentivized vehicles as sold vehicles, then also the probability of sold vehicles at 2020 would be in the range of 3 to 3.5 lakh electric vehicles only. But when the target was 60 to 70 lakhs electric vehicles in 2020. Hence, the NEMMP 2020 program stands fail. Many thanks for listening to this content. For any clarifications, please reply to etmtalks@gmail.com. Let's see in the next part of the series. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and press bell button to get immediate notification once the content uploaded. Thank you once again.